So guys, welcome to new video. So today I'm going to show you how you can create the next file of Jarvis. Yes, it's Jarvis. So that we had created that all we had done till the this file real time sensation. As you know, we didn't done this image sensation.py file. Okay, so these two files, these are known as front end files. In front end files, these you just need to create, nothing you need to add. Graphics, I will provide these, and then gui.py, this file and this main.py file. These two files are left only. Today we are going to speech to text. So what is meant by speech to text? Means because our AI won't be able to like just listen the speech, means like as we talk, so the AI can't do this. That's why we create speech to text. So it's also known as STT. You had listened, na? STT, TTS. Yeah. So what is meant by speech to text? Our model or AI won't able to like we can say listen a voice, but it can understand text by converting it to binary form, so that computer can learn it. Because at the end, we are not creating our own machine learning model. We are just calling the API keys. By API keys, what we do? By API keys, we only just don't create our own, but we are accessing there. So it must they we send text message to that AI, so that it can respond in text. When it responded text, we will convert it to text to speech. Means firstly we speak, so it will go to speech to text. Means firstly our model will convert the speech to text. After that, it will send to model.py. It will analyze what's the thing, like as you can see. And the thing, we are doing like opening an app, so it will send to automation.py. Automation.py, see what in the query. Oh, what in the query? In the query there is open, so it will run open this one program. Okay, and this one will be run, and then it will say something, but in open it say nothing. Like when we are asking something real time query, so firstly text model real time search engine, then it will see, it will get got the text. Now it will send the text to speech. Now this file will convert that text to, we can say, speech, and then play that, and the speech will be stored in this speech.mp3. Okay, I think now you got the main concept. Now let's start after an intro. So I'm going to explain this, and if you want it, you can just subscribe this channel. Go here, scroll down, contact us, and the name, email, access, submit. Okay, it's empty space, leave it. Now come to a code. Firstly, we imported some drivers like web driver, and we are going to use Chrome here for speech to text. That's why we just did this where that, yes, here, this and this thing, and you're just soaking what's this thing here. I will tell you, just wait and watch. Firstly, we imported this in OS for creating these files na, because speech to text, the text will be stored also na. And this program .env values, you know already, selenium, selenium services, also selenium web driver. Okay. Okay. Now it will load environmental variables of, as we know, input language, that what's the input language of user. Okay, because there is also input language, and this is the HTML code which will just recognize the like will recognize the thing, or we can say the text. HTML code equals to HTML code dot replace. uh, so you can see here, inject, it will, you can see, it will inject the code. Where, if I show you here, here, voice.html, you can see the code, and we just open this code in, I like this feature, start tokenization, no block, start. Is it started? Hello, hello, hi, stop. Like you can see, so guys, you can see here, we had created this. This is the HTML code, including CSS and all the buttons. If I now stop it, no RS. It's like you can see the output here now. And I know you want it, so go and subscribe the channel, come and type message here. Okay. Now, after injecting this code, uh, you can see here, it is injecting this code. Okay. Save HTML to file. Okay. I think now you got it. os.mkdirs. It's an OS, we can say the OS for no function which allows user to create, inject and other things. Construct local files URL means these are the URL which will used, which will be used num, because all the our program will also want to use num. These are from for Chrome beta, because we will using Chrome here, so we need Chrome driver and Chrome, you know. So how you can get these two things? Firstly, I will go to link that in this video I created this full, you can see and watch it. That are here, these are here, you can go and check this. I will copy this link and then paste this link here, and then just do enter. It will automatically start installing. I like this. And this is for Chrome driver, and this is from for Chrome beta. You didn't want to like project. Like guys, you didn't want to like, we can say not copy paste it. You can only just click there Why only Chrome driver? Oh, I just paste that link here. My mistake. Copy, paste. I think there is also link for searching online. No. Yes. Here's the link. So as you can see, it's the starting. It's almost 167 MB, and it is just you can see some MBs only. Firstly, I will just open the folder. Don't just get confused where it opened. I will just do it. Extract all. Extract. Now I will extract this and also this one folder. Just wait and watch. Firstly, we will do what? I will open this extracted folder and then do, and here I will copy this, or by just clicking here, copy as path. Click here and then right click, copy as path. Okay, and then you just don't want to write anything. I just tell now copy, like just do what here, paste it. Okay, it it's outside the double quotes. Now it's okay. It's raw means it's allow the Python to get into the hard drive. Okay, you know this is the path, but this is row. R means row. It's important to mark here. This tells the Python you can go inside the like hard disk where just okay. This is for that. Here you can also see. So I just select it. I was thinking that it's half of them. As you can see, it's just taking all the arguments, and you can see here it is Mozilla, Windows 64, Apple WebKit also is here, and Chrome, Safari also. So it is all of these things. These are options you can see. Add argument. It will add this argument to I think here. Now we are setting Chrome driver path. This is Chrome driver. I think you don't know the meaning of driver. Driver is a thing which to like allow PC to read and files, like when you inject a new thing to computer, as you can see a high end headphone extracts etc. Sometimes, I say sometimes, or you can say a new phone using like this cable, C type cable, C2A type cable. When you inject in PC, it will sometime ask for drivers. This is only it allow PC to run like it's allow AI to run the Chrome, because AI is normal. It's not connected with PC things. It's only taking the like we can say the network, and if we just do it, inject this AI, or we can say our complete model into a chipset. Okay, and add their processes and allow that to make process of Python, and it's not capable of doing running Python, make it capable, and then add a Wi-Fi there, Wi-Fi router, or we can say anything Wi-Fi dongle, so that it can connect to Wi-Fi. Then you can run your, and I know its speaker and microphones will also be needed. If you do that and connect it to Wi-Fi, it will it will surely run that AI there, because This is not connected with any like softwares etc of PC. It's only taking microphone, headphone, and if you also don't allow that PyCharm to access the microphone and other things, so it will also don't take that. But without that, how this works? And I think it's the now. I think now you go to the what's the use of driver here? We did this. Now we just change this path. Okay, it's done. Now I also need to extract this. Extract all. Extract. No, guys. First time that I was doing this, I have a query. I was having a query that can't we just directly add this folder to our main Python dictionary in backend? Just we can't. I tried, but it don't work. I didn't know why, because it was just getting nah. There's nothing. The speech or text getting the drivers and other things from here only. So that's why it's not necessary to like add this thing anywhere else and then go in completely inside and .exe copy the path of .exe file. It's very necessary. I don't know why, because I just tried. uh, I'll just get that path here, paste, same problem. It's enough. Now you can see all the things are ready. These are the functions that running these all things here only. It's checking the status. Why means is the my is microphone is activated or not, means it is taking the speech or not. It's that status. Like you can see, it's printing status. Like if I run here as it is set status to use. Okay, true. T, I set it. Now if I run the file, where did it go? I delete it here. It's only giving error, nothing else. If I run this, I don't think that it's must give an error. And now see, you can see here it's working fine. I didn't think that so. Well, it must print the output here. It's keyboard interrupt. No problem. If I just run mandate.py, it must work. Because the main error that was, I had resolved it. Python interpreter is also configured. If there is Selenium problem, that it will be of text to speech, speech to text. I mean, because this is the most complicated file that I see. You can see here, it's done. Okay, stop. Now it's done. It's only thing. These are the functions. Speech recognition. This is the main function here. Okay, this functions is only like getting that, means we can say, means getting the speech. It must do. If I run it, hello, hello, I'm speaking, mic testing. Look here. text equals to print text. Speed to text. Hello, hello, hello. Not working. Just stop it. I didn't know why, but it's okay a lot. Now this means these are the all. And now I will explain you this. Set assistant status. It will set the status of the assistant. Query modifier. Query modifier is like that. Like if we ask a question to it, that was your name. What's the capital of India? What is the GDP of India now? At what rank did India score in, we can say, in GDP, or what's the GDP of India? What's the economic GDP of, like these questions. So it will see there is what. Now it will add question mark at the end of the line. You can see. Okay, this is that function, and it will also like capitalize because it's query modifier. Without it, it won't be like good thing. It won't add extra things. That's the main thing. And universal translator, like you speak in any Chinese, French, etc language. So our program will only like convert the English now. So it will convert that language into English. Okay, we add that for translating your, and speech recognition. This is the main function which will like main translate, like no translate, which mean like listen or convert to text. So you can see, while true, this is try. Try where, because there can be a error here, so it must like stop the error, means or pass the error, I mean that. Text output dot next. This, if the text means this is the text that is taken by the HTML code, that is generated by the HTML code. If text driver find element, if language input dot lower equals to English or English, means if the language is English in input language, then then return the query modifier text, means it will modify the query, add question marks, etc. Else if that is there is not that thing, it will set assistant status translating. Okay, it will set the assistant status what, translating, and then it will return query modifier. It will send the query to query modifier, and what will the query, universal translated text, means firstly the text will hear, it will go to universal translator. The universal translator translate it to English and then send to query modifier, and then query modifier will modify that query. Okay, I get my mistake here. I said it. Hello. Just like it will print their hello. Hello. How are you? Okay. I think now you got it. This is our main speech to text file. In this video, I'm going to show how this text to speech file works. It's very small and interesting. Only 8 lines. So wait for the next video. For waiting, go and subscribe this channel. Bye bye. Tata. I will meet you in next video.